And my prepper posse. Ho ho ho. Batteries charging off the inverter. It's a beautiful thing. It's nice. Real nice. And here's the rest of my kit, where that cord goes to my generator. And let's see, because this would plug into the bus. This goes into the bus. This goes into my generator with the adapter. There's an adapter here that goes 30 amps. And then this plugs in to get it down to a regular house if I want to plug into a house. So I got everything I need here. Everything I need to keep this baby charged and fresh. We got the cloud coverage coming in. It's supposed to storm. But anyway, they're just tying it up and cleaning it up and hey, I don't know what he said. Did you? And we're gonna get the heck out of here, I think, because I don't need to stay here and charge all night. They got the big 50 amp plugs. Goes into the bus. Yeah, they're screwing in the rest of the stuff, and it's all working appropriately the way it's supposed to. Thank goodness. I didn't do a bad job. I'm very happy with myself. So, hope everybody's having a great day. I'll keep you posted when we leave. See you!